These are my painting supplies. So this is my silicone mat, and it's rather thick. It has a nice 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit more edge around it, so if you do spill, it's going to be contained. It's got the 8 little compartments and then one big one. It has a cup compartment up here, or a round one. This one, as you've seen, has a flap, and it does latch in. It's not 100% secure, but it does seal it pretty good. This is magnetic, so if you flip it over, yeah, there's a magnet in there, and what it is on the bottom of the cup is also a magnet. So when you put it up in there, it is magnetic on it. See? It's not a super strong one, but as you can see, it's pretty strong. And this cup is collapsible. Yeah, if I can do it one-handed, right? There. So, easy to store kind of thing. But yeah, I absolutely love this mat. I loved it so much that I bought one of my fellow painters one for her birthday, and she uses it all the time, especially during our crafting hangouts that we have where we all get together. So the other thing I have is this container. This was a gift, but you can see on the bottom in here is little nubbies. This is plastic, and it fits between the 2 silicone halves, and creating a seal. That way you can fill it up full of water. I use it for storage because I have the cup, but all my paintbrushes fit into the different slots. So you have those slots there, but you also have the ones in between. And then on the inside, you have these ones, which you can take one of your brushes if you just want it to hang up in there without touching the bottom, just like that. And let's see if I can get it. It's right there. So it's just hanging. It's not even touching the bottom. But that is pretty cool. And these brushes I absolutely love. It has everything from that huge one to the tiny one you saw me using, and other small tiny detail ones, as you can see on that one. They have big variety, a lot of different styles, big old thick ones. But yeah, so these are pretty cool. So if you want any of these items, I will have links in the description for the paintings. I'll also link in the beads if you want to get those. The paints are just a variety of different paints from different locations, so I mean, they're just acrylic paints. Nothing special about any one of those. But yeah, so those are the items that I did use in this video. Again, if you want to get any of them, there's links in the description. They are Amazon affiliate links. So if you do use them, I will get a small percentage from Amazon. It doesn't cost you anything more, but I do get a little bit of money to help support this channel. So thank you for supporting this channel, and I hope to see you in the next one. Stay creative.